Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and it's time for another unboxing. We are a little behind with these for this particular company, so let's take a look at what we're doing. Magic at your door, and just in time, it's for November. So yeah, we're a little behind. December's over there, and I think he packed January's yesterday, so I guess it's time we should do this. And this is coming up right now. Alright, so let's see what we got here. You ready? Here we go. Nice. Alright. First things first, we have their monthly, not mailer, newsletter. Thanks, Mary. So I'll throw this up on the screen so you can check it out. Boop. So they talk about being able to order directly from the shop. You can get ears and lounge flies and stuff just directly from them if you don't want to buy an entire box. Then it has the color codes on here and also some merchandise specific prices like wishables and socks and ears and birthstone jewelry so that you can figure out your value of your box. And then it talks about Christmas gift options. Whoops. And they had a pick any 4 Disney Parks ear headbands for $100. I think that's over. Yeah. So, a little late to the party, but, you know, at least we're still at the party. Alright, so, got some festive confetti here. White, brown, gold, red, green. It's a whole mix. Let's see how it flies. Ready? Almost threw some socks. Alright. This is their gold subscription. Whoa, blast from the past. So this is $124.99, and then you add shipping on that, and don't quote me, I think shipping was like $10 or something like that. That's how you know it's the gold box, because you got a gold pouch. Oh, and I see a red box in here. Let's start with some socks. These are definitely for me. They are Disney cats, and they're pink, so they have to be for me. I will throw this in the photo box so you can get a better look. Boop. And there is no price tag on there, so I will have to ask Mike what they were. Oh wait, never mind. I just said that the sock price is on there. $14.99. I know how to do this. Alright. Let's see what we have here. That's so cool! This is why being lazy pays off, because my tree is still up. And I can put them on there. This, I swear, I think this is my favorite ornament that I have to this date. So, it's Mickey looking through a frame and you can see his silhouette in the glass. That is really cool. That is $19.95 in the parks. And I will throw that in the photo box so you can get a better look because he is super cool. Boop. On the turntable? Yeah. Nice. We are going to have a very full tree next year. And it's not their fault I opened my box super late. It just is what it is. We fell so far behind and we're still working on getting caught up. Man. These are some cool ornaments. So this is Madame Leota. Oh, that is so cool. I love the base that the globe is on. That's really cool. This one is $24.99 in the parks, and I love it. I'll throw that on the turntable as well. Boop. What? There's a light switch on it. Oh. I don't know if you can see that. You can kind of see the lights in there, but her face lights up. That's cool. Nice. Alright, and then I have a Jim Shore and then the gold pouch. There. Man, this confetti is everywhere. Ready? It's Santa Mickey! Sorry, that was loud. Look at how cool he is. Handing out candy canes. I don't have this one. I love getting Mickeys from Jim Shore that are Jim Shore that I don't have yet. And I don't have this one. That is too cool. And how much was that in the park? I forgot to look before I snapped it away. $45 in the park. I will throw him on the turntable as well. Got a lot of turntable stuff today. Boop. Alright. And now we have the gold pouch. There's a dog collar in here for Christmas. It's Mickey with a Santa hat, and it is definitely the right size for my Rottweiler, or Mary's Yorkie. This is $17.99 in the park. It is super cute, but the dog walks around here like he owns the place, and anytime he gets anything new, he's kind of stuck up. I don't know. Don't tell Mary I said that. Then, nice. So this is a pin from the park. It's silver, which is $9.99, and it is the new style Mickey cartoon, and it says "Beware the Yeti." And I will throw that up in the photo box so you can get a better look at it. Boop. That's awesome. Very cool. I like it. And then, the bag that keeps on giving. We have the... Whoa. What? I didn't realize that these guys had their heads on springs. This is their monthly fantasy pin, so if you get the gold box, they throw in one of these pins every month. And this one is hilarious. So it's an acorn, and it says 2020 November, and it has Chip and Dale on it, but they're stuck way out on springs. This is so cool. I didn't realize. So I'll show you the picture in the photo box, but you gotta see how they're sticking off? That's too funny. I love it! So I will show you the collection of all the other ones we have. Let me check real quick, because I think I was still short. Maybe October? Maybe not. Well, you tell me, because... So all of the monthly pins that we've gotten for free so far, I will put them... Boop, 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 boop. Is October up there? I don't remember. So anyway, next year they're doing a different monthly free thing for the gold box, and now it's poster based, but I think it's still a pin, right? Yeah. So they're going to be really cool. So keep an eye out for that. And then lastly, another keychain with keys on it, and each key is a different park. So Disneyland Paris. Shanghai. This is really cool. Disney World. Hong Kong Disneyland. Tokyo. And that leaves Disneyland. Very cool. This is Teal. Teal is $12.99 in the parks. And I really like when they put the nice big clip on the keychains because it's just so much easier to deal with. That is really cool. Alright, lots of stuff. So, I will add all this up. So remember I paid $124.99 plus shipping. And the total for what this whole thing comes to is on the screen. Boop! And, not bad, right? This box is consistently valued very well. Cannot complain. If you would like to check out their Facebook group, I will link it down below. It is Magic at Your Door. Huge group of people, 5,000 plus. Also check out, while you're there, our Facebook channel, Disney Dynamicks, spelled just like the channel name. And also check us out on Instagram. That's it. So if you'd like to take a look at our last video, click on the button right here. And if you would like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.